Hello, I'm Lesley Logan and I have standing neck stretcher exercises for you today. So this is a really fun tool. I have the Contrology one, and if you don't have a neck stretcher and you want one, hit me up below. I have a special little link for you. You can get a little, well, anytime you want any of the equipment you see, hit me up because I got special links that definitely save you money. But this neck stretcher is really special. You can use it attached to leg springs, and I'll show you other exercises, but this one you would just attach to the hook on your Cadillac or tower, and you're gonna put it around your forehead. And then these ones are not really big movements. So the heels are together, the toes are apart, and my whole body is gonna lean into the neck stretcher, and I'm not going head first because I want my butt to go back. I'm kind of going from my feet to my head forward and back. And what you feel is like how the whole body engages to like hover over an imaginary cliff edge. And then you can turn to the side. The side one, I'm not gonna lie, you need to do a little bit more like Egyptian. I don't know, like when you think about like walk like an Egyptian and the head moves but the body doesn't, that one is what you want. So you're kind of pushing your ear, not your waist, so that's something I have to work on, but your ear into the neck stretcher. It's so subtle and so hard, so don't turn your head, don't lean your body, move the head into it. And so you might have more energy and nothing happening in that one, but you're still feeling the work, and that's good. And then you go forward, and same thing as when you're facing away from the Cadillac, your whole body is going with it. And you'll feel all the muscles of your upper back engage, and you'll feel your stomach pull in to make this happen. And then you can go to the other side, and it's so good for strengthening your neck. I mean, it's called a neck stretcher, but to me, you're really actually just trying to get your neck muscles in all directions to work with your whole body. So that way, when you actually round forward, it's not like collapsing forward or tensing forward. It comes with you. And so when your head moves, your stomach engages like that. Or when your head goes back, everything works together. It's a really good teaching tool. Again, this is a Contrology neck stretcher. I'm Lesley Logan. If you have any questions about it, hit me up below. And as I mentioned, I do have a special Contrology link. So if you need it, just ask for it.